Oh,
man. Hi guys, my name is Joyce.
Hi, my name is Ayaka.
And we've been best friends for about 4 years. So our friendship is pretty much surrounded by cooking.
We are going to make 2 different kinds of brownie. So the first brownie that we're going to make, it's gonna be very simple. Only 3 ingredients.
That sounds like something I could do.
Yeah.
For the second batch, I believe it's the fudgiest brownie we've ever had. And you know I love some chocolate.
Ooh,
You
so
know
excited. Oh my God.
You were so precious. Okay, so let's look at the recipe.
All right.
Okay, we got that.
That's like super easy. Okay, you already put in there.
Okay, I love a good 3 ingredients. Wow.
Ah, okay. I think I can do it.
Oh yeah, I think this might be like the brownie for me. I think this is like lazy girl swag.
Oh, that looks good though.
Since in our friendship, Ayaka does most of the hard labor, I'm gonna let her do all the mixing.
Okay, so I will take the control. In the video, they put this one first.
Yes.
So I'm just gonna put them all.
Look at you. She cooking.
I
She
do. So let me mix this first.
She's stirring. I'll mix for the next one.
Okay.
My turn.
We have to put it like equal, right?
I mean, we ain't no tasty producer. You expect me to what? Glaze this on into the plate? So now I'm gonna spread it.
Uh-huh.
I think I've done my job successfully.
Uh-huh.
Let's bake it. Now that the first batch is perfectly cooking in the oven, let's watch the second one.
All right, cool. Best fudge brownie ever.
I really love butter, love sugar. I just like how pretty this is. It's just so cinematic.
True. It's more complicated for sure.
It's definitely more complicated.
Yeah.
I love chocolate, chocolate girl, chocolate world.
It's a different process. Okay. It's complicated. And then we mix a different powder.
Oh my gosh, yes. More chocolate? Love it. I love this. I need this. It's spread like my soul. I love this.
Ugh. Chocolate. Yes.
I'm a little bit nervous.
Really?
It's just so much more pressure to like look cute, taste cute, be cute. The other one just like accepted me for who I was, but this one wants me to be better, you feel me? So I think we're excited. Let's start this.
Okay, let's cook.
Drop the butter.
All right. Mix with it, mix with it.
I'm mixing.
Mixing with it.
Ooh, look at you, drop that egg right.
Hell yeah.
This is what teamwork looks like. It actually does smell good.
Yeah.
I'm surprised. So she's pouring the melted chocolate into our batter thingy, my bobber. So now let's just get the sifter and mix up all the dry ingredients. So then we just put this spoon in, boop.
Yes, yes, yes.
You can do this.
All right, sure. Oh, it's very loose.
It is very loose.
Compared to the first brownie, the simple ingredients, it's very smooth.
But that looks like chocolate.
Yeah.
Look, me and that could be sisters.
So as the final step, we're gonna put this beautiful chocolate chunk into this chocolate brownie.
She leaves all the powder all on the sides, you know what I'm saying? All right, so I think we're good. Now we're gonna pour it in. This batter's good.
Wow, this is like really creamy.
Okay, so I think the batter is done. Let's put it in the oven and see which one is the best. Okay.
There
Look
you
at our
go.
pretty children. Okay, so let's try the 3 ingredient one first.
All right.
Ooh, this is good. This is good. Over the ice cream.
Oh, hell yeah.
I like this one though, because it's not too sweet. You know what I'm saying?
No. It's like basic. Very simple.
Yeah, it's a very simple style brownie.
So, are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
The bougie brownie?
Yeah, bougie baby.
All right.
All right.
Oh,
Man.
different.
Different.
Can we have a meal? Hell yeah.
Oh,
Hell yeah.
oh man.
That's good.
Just knowing for my lifestyle,
Yeah.
I would be eating these.
Okay. I have to be honest. I love
don't.
this.
I know
I
you
love
do.
this.
I know you do.
I love this.
I know you do. This is good.
Oh, yes.